So it's day 18, I believe, of journaling my trades every day until I become profitable. We're in this horrible range on the daily. We still could not close above this new week opening gap. Got this huge rejection on the daily here. So from here I was like, oh wow, if my initial thesis was correct about the monthly fair value gap below being hit, this rejection is not a good sign. We filled in this new week opening gap, we're rejecting from it, so I'm expecting some sort of draw lower to be hit before continuing higher. That draw lower will probably be my condition to if we actually are going lower or if we're going higher, because if we don't come back down here, this low will be extremely protected on the weekly time frame. So considering that we're respecting this, we have previous day low here. What is previous day low? Well, let's go to the 4-hour time frame and let's have a look. Previous day low is this 4-hour fair value gap, so this is great delivery for longs. So this is even a stronger draw just because it's unmitigated, it has not been tapped yet. There's orders in here waiting, and previous day low is a nice liquidity point, so this is a great spot to want to come to. This is CPI news high. I think it's protected. I'm not sure it's the best draw. It's respecting this 1 hour here, so we have delivery to come lower. 15-minute time frame, protected high. We can't completely disregard it because it is a news high, but it's just not the best one. This 1 minute play is not bad, is it? And I was right about that 1 minute play being not bad because it just took us straight to the news high. I wasn't so confident about the news high being the current draw, but the wick on it was just crazily large. It's such a draw that stands out, and once you have like those draws that just stand out so much like that on the chart, they're most likely going to get hit. They have more of a probability to. For me, they were kind of off the table. I needed something perfect. This was just before market open, and market open actually just brought us up to the news highs. After that, I was just looking for some sort of reaction, and I was just basing my bias off reactions. And I wasn't really sure if ES wanted to take the news high next, or if we wanted to go down to my draws below that I had mentioned from before. Wow. We proceed to pump as ES takes the draw above. Now, unfortunately, we do get a retracement and a setup for a long, and I should have jumped in on this knowing that the draw was most definitely, or more probabilistically, ES. But I let that one slip out of my fingers, and we just pumped up, took the high on ES, took the CPI news candle. Now that we have both major news draws above taken out, I was looking for short so we could possibly catch a short down to the draws that I had mentioned at the start of the session.
Order filled.
Now we get our iFVG down to the downside, and I'm targeting those lows that I was talking about, and just no comment on this trade. This is a horrible risk management. I trailed way too tight. I should have just left my stop at break even and just let it ride. I would have probably banked a lot more. But no, after we hit a big gap, I just decided to tighten my stops really tight, and I paid for it. Yep. Bad trade.
Stop filled.
I mean, yeah, there's no reason why
Order
we don't go
filled.
for the low there.
Now, lucky enough for this trade, we got a continuation short, so we got a re-entry for the trade, and I jumped into the re-entry and I targeted a little 5-minute gap there, and we got out at around a 1-to-1. We kind of got like a piece of the pie on each trade, so two not very good managed trades, but it adds up to a sizable amount after at the end of the day. Not my proudest trades, but we end the day green.
Stop filled.
And it's just running.
That's better.